Do you want to become a profitable trader? Hi, I'm CA RUDRAMURTHY, author, trader and trainer, welcomes you to this pre-market report. If you see SGX Nifty right now, it is indicating a gap up open of around 50 points. Yes, it is at 17,850 to 17,900, the range where SGX is trading for the whole day, and open is expected somewhere at around 17,900. We are just 3% away at index level to reach the all-time high. The fears of COVID and then the fears of recession is all now out, and market has climbed all walls of worries. And I want each one of you to clearly get this. Market fell only because of two important reasons. Number one, FII selling, and number two, crude oil prices rocketing up to even $125 per barrel. Now see the situation. Crude in fact today is below $93 per barrel, and if you see FII, for last 12 consecutive days they have been buyers and they have bought to the tune of 18,500 crore in last just 12 trading session. So the two biggest negative which dragged the markets down are now looking positive, where crude is below $93 per barrel and FIIs are buying for the 12th consecutive session. Now the big question, what next? And let me tell you, you have to watch very closely. Even though index is just 3% away from all-time high, if you see the mid cap or small cap index, they are far away from the all-time high. That means now money is clearly flowing or will flow from large cap to mid and small cap where there is quality. I am not recommending you to buy any mid and small cap, but I am recommending for sure to focus more on quality mid and small cap right now and not at index, because already the big move and the meat move in index has come off. And let me tell you, you have to be in the party till the music is on, but however anytime the music can end, and unless you're close to the exit door, you can't come out very soon, as there will be a mad rush of people getting out once the party is done and the music is done. And let me tell you, now we are closer to it. This does not mean I have now turned bearish on market. I'm only trying to tell there is no good risk reward to go long for a trading purpose and that too at index level, and that too at current market price. We are not at 15,200 now, where you had the space for market to go up and there was lot of negative news around, and that was the time to buy, where I was thumping the table and telling to buy. Now the situation, now the context, now the environment is different. However, as a long-term investor, I'm still holding lot of quality mid and small cap which are there in my portfolio. But as a trader, when I wear that hat, I'm just not comfortable to buy fresh at current level, and the risk reward definitely does not favor that kind of a trade right now. And let me tell you, every day one teaching of RJ will ensure we give tribute to the great personality called Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. Plus, there is a lot of learning to you guys from the life and the market with so much of passion which Rakesh Jhunjhunwala sir always had. And from RJ I learn to live life like a king size. He always told, never regret, and what all you want to do, try to do it now, because we don't know what happens next. And he always told in terms of market, you have to understand, he said once, I am not a God's gift to mankind. Even I make losses or wrong decisions sometime in trading or even in investing. But do you have the open mind and the trader's right mindset to cut your losses small, have a right risk management, and size your position in such a way that one trade cannot make or break you, even if you go wrong in one trade, you have to leave another day for another trade to ensure you make the big money in market. I'm sure this kind of learning will help you a lot. When it comes to index, you have to see the range right now is shifted to levels from 17,780 where there is a strong support to levels closer to 18,000 where you have resistance. Bank Nifty 2 has stiff resistance at 39,500, and any profit booking or distribution signs will just tell you to get out of the party hall. And in fact, I always say sell when you can and not when you want. So right now, I having good big leverage positions on the long side from 15,400, 15,900. So I used to buy every rise which confirmed my bullish view, but right now I'm booking profit left, right, center on all my trading position because I'm not comfortable on the long side. Market might move up the next 2-3%, but I want to sell when I can and not when I want. I'm sure this video has helped you a lot in terms of the learning. Pre-market report has helped you for getting the eyesight required to become a profitable trader. Today evening, I'm just traveling to Kottayam Gokulam Resort, and let me just tell you, next 3 days it will be wonderful time for all those committed traders and investors who want to achieve their financial freedom at the earliest. You have that great opportunity to meet Rudra there one-on-one in this 3-day residential program at Kottayam, and see you all there in the program. More details are there in the description below. Have a profitable trading day. Thank you so much for watching, and let me tell you, it is now time for me to tell goodbye and for me to just go and prepare for today's market, and also my bags packing to leave to Kottayam today evening. Thank you so much for watching. Have a profitable trading day.